guys. So today I'm going to unbox and unwrap this. These are the two of the t-shirt and then one of the teacup set that my wife got from one of the YouTuber. Her name is Li Ziqi. It's one of the Chinese YouTuber. So it comes directly from China. And it is quite pricey. So let's go ahead and open this out and see what we got. As you can see, the bag pretty filthy. So I'm just gonna cut this bag open. So this is for a woman, and also this one, we have a burgundy and then a navy color. Oh, there's a special gift, I guess. Come with this tag. And then care instruction. So there's this button. Take it out. And then there's a rope right here to tie it. It's on the side. See if there's any care instruction tag somewhere. And there's another inner button right here. This one looks like it's made out of wood. Oh, there's a pocket. On each side. And then this one is the navy one. Basically the same style. I'm not sure why would she want to wear this, so maybe to support her channel. And here is the bracelet. So you want to open, you just pull this out. Wear this, and then pull this two knot to make it tighter. I look like a rabbit. Not sure if this is a real gold or not. Alright, this one is the most expensive right here. Check it out. Oh my god, I thought it's only, I thought it has 4 sets. This is only 1 set. So this is real glass. So ugly and so expensive. Just like looks like a kid's making it. And I guess this is the coaster. Oh yeah, ASMR. Very nice. I'm scratching over the glass. Well, yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys liked the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.